好，我们来看一下 Introvert and Extrovert 这道题。大家先把视频暂停一下，用大概30秒到40秒的时间，把这段话呢先读一遍。OK， 我们来看第一部分 ，Introvert or those of， 看到了 of 对吗？我们连在一起 ，those of us with introverted， 不要读成了 introverted， 那是错的。Introverted tendencies tends to recharge by spending time alone。这个单词念 alone， 不要念成了 alone。A-L-O-N-G 是 alone， 这个是 alone。They lose， 这是 Z 的发音。They lose energy from being around people， 这个 D 弱化。From being around people for long periods of time， 连在一起 periods of time， 不是 time， 是 time，OK？Particularly 多音节词 ，particularly 不是 particularly large crowds。第二部分 extroverts。On the other hand， 这个 D 要发清楚，对不对？这有个停顿。On the other hand, gain energy from other people. Extroverts actually find their energy is sapped. OK， 有个从句，对不对？可以有个停顿。Is sapped when they spend too much time. When they spend too much time alone， 不是 alone， 是 alone。句子出现了这个单词，对不对？ They recharge by being social.They recharge by being social. 好，两部分连在一起读一下。Introvert or those of us with introverted tendencies tends to recharge by spending time alone. They lose energy from being around people for long periods of time, particularly large crowds. Extroverts, on the other hand, gain energy from other people. Extroverts actually find their energy is sapped when they spend too much time alone. They recharge by being social. All right. Thank you, guys.